In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to fix washed or poorly balanced midtones in your footage. Sometimes when you record a video, the image can look a little flat or dull, especially in the mid-tone areas. We can quickly correct this using the gamma correction effect. Let's get started. First, select your clip on the timeline. Now, go to the effects panel and search for gamma correction. Drag and drop the effect onto your clip. Next, open the effect controls panel. Here you'll see the gamma value. This setting mainly controls the brightness of the midtones in your footage while keeping the highlights and shadows mostly unchanged. If your footage looks too dark, you can increase the gamma value slightly. This brightens the midtones and helps reveal more detail in the image. If the footage looks too bright or washed out, you can decrease the gamma value. This darkens the midtones and helps restore contrast. To make small adjustments and watch the preview carefully, even slight changes can significantly improve the overall balance of the image. Play the clip and fine-tune the gamma value until the footage looks more natural and visually balanced. And that's it. You've successfully fixed midtone balance using the gamma correction effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.